Good morning, Ram Nation. I am Zsofia Lukacs, and this is Ram News. Today is National Pasta Day. Did you know that the first type of pasta was created during the Chinese Shang Dynasty? Today's trivia question is, what country has the world's largest bowling alley? Boograms will be sold in the breezeway before and after school and during lunch, starting today, for $1 each, so make sure to buy them as soon as you can. There will be a Riverview FAFSA open house today from 5 to 7 p.m. The University of South Florida will be visiting Riverview this Wednesday, October 19th, in the Student Success Center at noon. Seniors must register in the Naviance, and juniors must stop by the Student Success Center to scan the QR code. Boys soccer tryout at RHS Grass Fields from Monday through Friday, the 21st. Time is now 4:30 to 6:30. New player registration begins at 3:45 p.m. Riverview Faces Autism Club will meet next Friday, October 21st in room 5124. See you then. Picture retakes will take place on Wednesday, October 19th in the art pack during the students' ELA class. Students will need to sign up with their ELA teacher by Tuesday, October 18th. The Fellowship of Christian Athletes will have their next meeting on Wednesday, October 19th in room 5124. Please feel free to bring your friends. We will have donuts, wacky competitions, and an inspiring message. See you there. The answer to today's trivia question, which was, what country has the world's largest bowling alley? The answer is Japan. That is all for today, Rams. Make sure to have a great day, and here's a message for Socktober.
Hi, I'm Hope Dante, and I'm the president of National Career Associations Club, and we are starting our community service projects. Starting this October, we have our first one coming up, and here's Lauren Angelari, our vice president, to tell you a little more about it.
Thanks, Hope. Hi guys, I'm Lauren, your Vice President of Community Service for NCA, and I just want to talk to you guys a little about Socktober. So it's going to be starting on October 17th and ending on November 2nd. I want to let you know that there's going to be an email sent out to teachers, parents, and students about Socktober. We will be putting boxes in teachers' classrooms who agree to help, and there will be a donut party for whichever class gets the most donations. So all those donations will be going to two charities. So the first one is Schoolhouse Links, ran by the YMCA, and then the other one is Salvation Army. So thank you guys for your help, and you can contact me or Miss Hamblin, and just let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.